So, starting from the box outside, you see the name of the producer, Acero, and this is the logo, by the way. The name of the model is Mamut, and it is in desert color. You can also get it in black color option as well. Opening the box and showing you the boots. Here is the design of Mamut Desert by Acero. It is quite impressive, I believe. I have opted for this color and this model simply because the design, I really liked it. By the way, I would like to thank for this sticker as well. It will take its place on my wall. Again, going back to the boots, this is the front design from the side and from the back and from the other side. These boots are made of leather and rubber material, which makes it comfortable to use, and apart from that, it is quite resistant. Here you can see it is resistant again oil and petroleum, and also the name of the company is here again. The boots are also quite protective with the 3 protective areas: the back, the front protection again, this is quite hard, and the third is upper protection. The boots also feature the infinite memory, which means this orange piece here remembers the shape of your foot and keeps itself accordingly. See, it's quite thick. That is nice, and it means your boots are more comfortable. The boots are also lightweight. They are real big boots, but they are not that heavy. They are not as heavy as they look, in fact. Finally, it doesn't contain any metal. These are quite rugged boots. They are mostly used by Airsoft players in the market. Comfortable, protective. I really like the design. I hope when I use them, I will be as much satisfied as well. I'm planning of making another video after I use them sometime and share my personal insights about the boot when it comes to long-term use. As I said, I like the design, but there are some things as well I did not like that much. Firstly, the boot laces here. I don't know if you can see well, and I could prefer some thicker laces. I didn't like these laces that much, and I'm afraid I cannot change them because these holes here are not that big. That limits. In fact, I was planning of changing them, but I think that will not be possible. Apart from that, the second thing I didn't like here is this material. Maybe it could be something better. Still, we will see how it will change with the use. And here again, I will also add some more photos with the outside use. And for now, that is it. Thanks for watching this review and have a good day.